In this meditation, you will go very deep into a trance-like state. Make sure you're laying down comfortably. You have been to the bathroom and you have a glass of water next to you. Find yourself a comfortable position where you can fully relax all the muscles of your body. Take your time to find a comfortable position where you can relax all the muscles of your body. When you have found a comfortable position, start breathing deep into your stomach, out through your mouth. Deep breath. Continue these deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. We are here in the presence with you, and throughout this meditation, we will be facilitating energy work on you. You may feel tingling sensations. Know that you are safe in this space to go deep into your own consciousness. Continue to breathe. Feel all the muscles in your body relax. On each exhale, you release more tension, bringing in more relaxation. Relaxing all the muscles in your body. Each exhale, you go deeper and deeper into relaxation. Each exhale, your brain waves are slowing down, relaxing as you go deeper and deeper into silence. Enjoying this space of peace, entering your quantum field of all that is, resting in all that is. From this space, ignite the light which you are, shining brighter and brighter, becoming pure light, merging with all that is. From this place, connect with heart consciousness, with unconditional love for yourself and all that is. Opening up your heart space. Relaxing deeper and deeper into this frequency. And from this space, remember you are the creator of your reality. From this space, feel, what do you wish to create? As the creator of your reality, this is the time for your storyboard. You are now in a deep space, a deep trance. From this place, you can create your dream reality. You are safe to bring up your dream reality in this safe space of love. What do you wish to create? What do you wish to experience? Which experience do you wish to have? In this moment, imagine you have a genie and you can ask the genie for whatever you want, and it will be your reality. What do you ask the genie? See it. Feel it. Be it. Know it. Remember it. Hold these images in your mind's eye. Feel how it feels in your body. Relax. Enjoy your creation in the now. Removing limiting beliefs connected to this image. Increasing the probability of this timeline for you. Feeling it come true. Actualizing, materializing, manifesting in your 3D reality. No, it has taken place. It is a frequential reality. It exists in the Akashic Record. It is there because you created it. sealing in the memory of this timeline in your heart. Hold this memory in your heart. Bring it up on a daily basis. Recall this memory on a daily basis. Feel how good it feels. Remember it. The more you remember it, the more you feel it, the closer it becomes. By law, sealing in this knowing into your consciousness. Seal in the memories you wish to keep into your heart. Know they are true. They exist. Sealing in your heart frequency. Hold your heart. Feel the gratitude in your heart for a reality you have created and experienced. There is no time. Slowly, slowly come back from your creation. Slowly, slowly come back into your body. Slowly, slowly come back into the room, your space. Slowly, slowly feel your body resting on Mother Earth. Slowly, slowly move your arms and legs. Slowly, when you are ready, come back and open your eyes. Take your time, enjoy your creation, and come back to this meditation whenever you please. Rest, stay hydrated, and take it slow. By taking it slow, you are slowly maneuvering time. Thank you for gifting yourself your creation. We look forward to engaging with you again.